Hello everyone, my name is Hannah Cups. This is an exclusive listing of C4 Home and Land Team located right here in Telephone, Texas. We are roughly a mile north of the FM 897 bridge located on Bois Lake. This is a 20-acre property sitting between two public boat ramps on Bois Lake that you can access in under 5 minutes. This property has over 1,100 feet of road frontage off of FM 897 and is under an hour from the Metroplex. Come on and take a look with us. This is a 2020 new build barn dominium with 3 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, and an open concept floor plan. Come inside and let's take a look around. Take a look at all of this open land with endless possibilities on Bois Lake. Bring your business ideas and think outside of the box. Contact C4 Home and Land Team today to tour this exclusive listing.